Hello everyone, so today I will unbox my new camera, Canon camera SX620HS PowerShot. So join with me as I unbox this camera. So let's start. So excited. So as you can see, it is free with so this is the case, the camera. So it's like for the belt camera. So it's also free with 16 GB Ultra SD card. So that's it. Nice, so excited. Oh wow, so the SD card, the warranty card, so on and so forth. I don't know, like I think the start guide. Don't know. Safety precaution. The safety precautions in the guide, I think, and so let's proceed to the backs. The cable, the charger, so it's the charger, the cable, and so the charger, the camera. Wow. So it's same face. The strap, battery, so that's all. That's it. So we have the case, the strap, the cable, the charger, the battery, and the camera. That's it. Thank you for watching. Still the memory. So that's all.